Press.
Make.
Yeah, continue.
Hey, one of us hasn't joined yet. I think he's joining now.
1 second. Yeah, please start. Please start. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Team 4. The project we have done is recommendation engine for Netflix. Basically, we tried to make a recommendation system which uses ML algorithms such as naive Bayes, decision tree, KNN classifiers, etc., in order to enable consumers or customers to get recommendation for the movies. So we basically made a web page which allows people to given their preferences, like whether it's a category, whether it's a type of title, etc., in order to search and then give them what they might like. So the recommendation project is an example of how machine learning can be used to make our lives easier. So in this project, we basically try to understand the key factors and try to develop an algorithm so that the website can successfully like give proper recommendations to users. We've used a data set of around 5,000 to 6,000 movies and series. We've analyzed the patterns using different ML models, and then using that, we've trained an ML model and deployed it into our website using a Flask. With this trained ML model, basically searches through the entire data set and gives proper recommendation based on what they've typed into the website. The machine learning algorithms we've used are as such. We've used 7 of them. The first is cosine similarity, KNN or K nearest neighbors, TF IDF, non-negation matrix factorization, decision tree, random forest, which is also kind of a decision tree, but then we've used them separately, and then naive Bayes algorithm.
Yeah, please process. Please proceed.
I think the next person.
Okay.
We basically try to it's a kind of a personalization algorithm which tries to take in other users' inputs. Basically, the data set which we have consists of many different, around 5,000 different movies and series, which have defined basically properties such as their genres, their descriptions, etc. We use ML models to analyze these and then give separate recommendations based on these. Our ML model basically strives to enhance user engagement. Another use of this particular model is that Netflix is a kind of streaming service which has thousands, if not tens of thousands movies and series. Each person might want to watch something, but then they can't exactly scroll to each and everything in order to find something. So this particular recommendation system helps them to find respective movies and get the best out of what they paid for. Thank you, ma'am. And now we'll explain the project.
Okay, Sarath, you have other teammates also, right? Dinesh,
Yes, ma'am.
you can also start.
We have 5 of us, ma'am.
Yeah. So, okay. Can you introduce your team? I think 5 people are there, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Including myself, there's also Prakalp, Tanishk, Sanjay, and Abdul.
Okay. Okay,
Uh,
guys. Yeah. Please explain me go through the codes.
Your mic is muted, bro.
Hello. Is it audible?
Yes, yes, dear. Yes.
Uh, s- so our project is Netflix movie recommendation engine. So what our project basically concentrates is on content recommendations for video streaming platforms in telecom domain, where you will be receiving the personalized content of the users, and it is most used nowadays for recommendations in engines. So
Okay.
first thing we have collected the data set from Kaggle.
Okay.
So here we are importing the necessary libraries for that.
Okay.
So here we are importing pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, and Matplotlib, as Seaborn and Matplotlib are data visualization libraries, whereas pandas and NumPy are for numerical Python and data manipulation done on the dataset. So here we are setting the option of displaying the dataset of maximum columns.
Okay.
So here we are reading, so our dataset is an Excel file. So we are reading the dataset using pandas. So data.head gives me the first 5 observations of the dataset. So these are
Okay.
that. So here we are displaying the our dataset columns are nothing but the features of the dataset.
Okay.
So these are the features, and whereas there will be so many features on the dataset, I am trying to remove the unnecessary columns which are not required for doing the data manipulation on the dataset. So here are the unnecessary columns are removed from the dataset. So whereas the data is getting filtered, so we are displaying only the filtered data columns and removing the unnecessary data, where we are dropping the unnecessary data columns here in this step. So we are checking the data size shape. So those are of 9,425 observations with 29 features. So after checking, we are checking the data size, data size shape of filtered columns. So we are have only taken 15 of features and checking the head of them. And whereas the tile gives me the observations of last 5 of the data set. So we are even checking the data set D types by using info function. So after collection of data, so we are now going for data preparation and data pre-processing. Here we will be handling the missing values and categorical data and balancing the imbalanced data. So by using is null function, we can find what are the null values in the data set. So whereas is null dot any gives me in Boolean format, whereas
Dear,
some gives
can
me.
you, dear, can you go
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
ML models, what you used?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, please go to that.
So these are the
It's
data
in data
visualization part.
visualization. Got it.
Yeah.
Data
So univariate,
visualization.
bivariate, multivariate analysis is done.
Okay. Yeah, this is the nice one.
So we have checked the correlation and the statistical analysis using describe method. So basically we here try to combine 2 columns, tags and summary, as our target column. So for model selection and model building. So here we have used count vectorizer for text extraction from sklearn library. So we have used count vectorizer for converting the text into the English, and where we will try to predict them. So we have fitted that, and our model, our target column was tags underscore summary. So we have used cosine similarity for that. So basically we try to give a title, and it will recommend us the uh, which has same of cosines of the recommendation title. it will be displaying the top 5. And here we have been using k nearest neighbors, another algorithm using count vectorizer only. So even here it gives me the most of 5 recommended titles. And we have been using another one, TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency. This is even a text extractor. So even this gives me the top 5 recommendations of the movies and non-negative matter. So from here, my teammate Abdul.
So we have used another model, non-negative matrix factorization.
Yeah. Please explain.
Good on. Sanjay, good. And then we have used decision tree. It's another different algorithm, ML algorithm. And then we used random forest. Can you hear me, Sanjay? Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have used decision tree and random forest algorithms. Good on. Sanjay, good on. And scroll down. Hello.
Yeah. Please continue. What happened?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So first we have used the decision tree algorithm. Where
Okay,
we
then the
will
next
be
one.
defining the.
Coming to the next one.
Sanjay, scroll down. Next
So this is
ML
the
model we
decision tree,
have
ma'am.
used
Random forest.
random forest.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Nebayus,
And
come
then
down.
yes.
Cross validation.
And then we have
evaluation,
used cross
hyperparameter.
validation.
For hyperparameter tuning, what you people are using?
So we are using we have used this, ma'am, decision tree only. So
Decision
we are
tree
getting
itself,
higher
ma'am.
accuracy on this model. So we've been using this hypertuning model for decision tree.
Okay. So which algorithm you are getting highest good frequency, a good
Decision
accuracy?
tree, ma'am.
Decision
Okay.
tree. So here is a model comparison accuracy of.
Okay.
So this is the best finalized model, decision tree. So here we are getting that accuracy and the recommendations, which are very relevant to our movie recommendation system.
Okay.
So we have basically saved this decision tree model to our pickle file. And we have even saved that TFDF vectorizer pickle file.
Did you deploy it anywhere, like any Flask app?
Yes, ma'am. I'll show you.
Yes,
I'll show you
ma'am.
the
We have
model.
integrated it.
Yeah,
Please
wait a
show.
minute. So here, if you try to give our any of the movie title, it will be recommending us, ma'am, the first 5 top recommendations.
Okay. Yeah. Nice one,
Yes,
guys.
ma'am.
You should use there is some APIs also that will come up with the pictures. Any one of my other student, they build it like this. That now it is getting the text only, it will come up with the pictures as well. Fine. Okay. No worries. Yeah.
Okay.
This is fine. So now do one thing. Okay. Your project, your explanation, all the things, I loved it, guys. This is too good. I really appreciate you people that you people are doing 2 good things, and this will you can show in you can save in your GitHub and you can show in your CV. This is a very good project. Also, you did end to end, so this will help you to crack a good interviews. Fine, crack good interviews. Fine. No worries. So now it's the time of little mock interview. Fine. So okay, I wanted to ask some 2-3 questions, not more than that. Just keep this screen like this. Don't remove the screen. It's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay. Can you explain me uh, what is normalization in data science? Normalization.
So,
Normalization in AI or Python or data science analytics. Okay, no issue. I will ask from your project only. Okay. Can you people explain the working structure of decision tree? How it's working? What are the advantages of decision tree? What are the disadvantages of decision tree? Can anyone explain, guys?
so ma'am, decision tree is basically of this tree data type, tree classifier, where uh, there will be it will be linking to most of the recommendations what we have used. Basically, it will be calculating the distances, and it will try to give us the nearest one.
And ma'am, it can be used for both classification and regression problems.
Yes, both one.
So we can use it both
How
ways.
how the trees are constructing their leaf node, root nodes, and how the tree knows that this is my feature. I need to go next step. I need to split like this. So you need to explain like this way.
Each movie has its own subset, ma'am. So like one movie, it has their own subsets, which has a different type of recommendation. So if you put one name on one movie title, those not the nearest nods, which is like near to what the title is given, is gonna appear on the screen, ma'am. So like
So basically, we'll
every
solve
node
the
is registered.
non-linear problems, ma'am, while giving us the standardized predictions.
Assigning all the nodes to the nearest title given.
What are the disadvantages of decision tree, or where in which case we are facing challenges in decision tree?
Basically, we'll be facing challenges while using decision tree is overfitting of the data, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Overfitting. Can you
Cannot be
explain
used in big data.
how you can deal with the overfitting if you are facing overfitting in
So
decision
we
tree?
should try to do our data preparation, ma'am. We should try to clean our data, and we should try to label and code it. And we should be able to handle with the missing values, and we should be able to balance our data set.
There is
Then,
two terms also, that is tree. You can remove the leaves by pruning, post pruning, pre pruning. You can remove
yeah,
some leaves that is there, and also you can go with the Ansible technique.
outliers. Yeah, outliers.
Okay, fine. Ansible techniques like boost.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no issue. So what are the performance metrics you people are using in this model? How you are mapping your model here?
So we have used our accuracy score and cross validations and confusion matrix classification report. Yeah.
Confusion metrics. Okay. Can you explain like what are the difference between precision and accuracy?
So whereas accuracy will be showing us the accurate measure of the metrics, whereas precision will be giving the nearest possible things of the metrics we are trying to do them, or we are trying to perform evaluation metrics on it.
There is something true, positive, true, negative. Let's go through it once. Okay, no worries. Can anyone share the screen, Google Colab or Jupyter? I will give some coding task. Guys,
Sure, ma'am.
this is one of the experience. You can feel it in the interview, upcoming your campus placement interviews. They will ask this type of things. Fine. So be ready. Brush up your machine learning algorithms as well. Do more practice in Kaggle competitions, and that is what HackerRank competitions. Fine. Okay. See, marks. I need to give the marks. Marks is just a number. You people did this project well, getting answers. You people presented well. I'm really happy. I appreciated you people. Okay. Create a new notebook.
New node location.
Write a program. Write a
Yes, ma'am.
program to find factorial of a number.
Okay.
Write a program to find factorial of a number.
Ma'am, can I show you the logic or else you need the full program?
Yeah, it's fine. I wanted to see the problem solving, how you are doing. You can run it.
So,
If you are not able to run also, you can write it. Anyone can help
yeah,
your
ma'am.
friend. Guys, help your
Yeah,
friend.
ma'am. So this is a basic formula we'll try to use while performing factorial of a number where n is the input. So this is the logic for this program, ma'am.
Please write the full code. At least write the
Full
code.
code,
That's
ma'am.
the concept only.
Sanjay, you can define the first number from 1 to 10. Yeah. Give the factorial as 1 initial. Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, allow me 1 second, please. I'm coming out with
Yes,
1 minute. Hello. Yeah,
yes,
guys.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you execute this code?
Yeah, I'm trying.
It's running now.
Yes, ma'am.
Give a
Please give me
small,
the
give a small number, na 2, a factorial of 4. 4, 4. Why it's not coming the answer? That time it was coming.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, no issue. I
Wait a
got
minute.
the.
Wait a minute, ma'am. I have one thing.
Change the if condition. Keep it 0.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. It is working. So
Okay,
basically, I here why I was trying to give 10. So then it was not able to perform.
okay, no issue. Write the program. Just
Yes, ma'am.
reverse a reverse a
Reverse it.
list. Reverse a list. Reverse a list.
Okay. So first I'll try to create a list, ma'am.
Guys, without using any built-in functions, built-in methods.
Okay.
Okay, Sanjay, you can define the reverse
Wait.
function.
I'll give. Yeah, it is reversed.
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, no issue. But please do practice more. Fine. If you want
Yes,
to
Sure, ma'am.
do your growth, your career in data science, do practice more. Okay, fine. No issues, guys. It's really nice to connect with you people. We connected like since 1 month. I hope and like our training is benefited for you people from like good wishes from my ma'am side, from my side, from ITT side. You people can connect with us if you need any guideline future. Definitely we are here. So we are also thankful and we are wishing all the best to every one of you for your new opportunities, new career. Okay. So definitely thank you so much, guys. Do you people have any questions for me?